Hi, my name's Dan, creator of CloudDesk 365. If you're looking on getting more information on hosted virtual desktops and cloud servers and how they can help your business, you've got to check this out. I've helped thousands of people move their data to cloud servers for the past 10 years. And if there's one thing that I've learned, it's that you really need to educate yourself on who those cloud providers are and how they can help your business grow. I do have a special offer that's going to help you get some of this information, but before we get into that special offer, I want to go through a couple of things that you want to think about before moving to a cloud solution. Okay, let's ask some questions about cloud solutions and virtual hosted desktops. You want to start with the cloud provider. Great question to ask is, how long have they been in business? You don't want to deal with somebody who's only been in business for 2 years. Look at somebody who has some history. They've been in business for a number of years. They have experience with cloud computing and hosting data. The last thing you want to have is to try to log into your cloud server or hosted desktop and there's no server there, and that's because they didn't pay their bills and the servers got turned off. So very important. Are they familiar with applications that you may be using? Depending on your industry, you're going to have specific software that's going to need to get installed a certain way. It's going to need to have a certain setup with the network so that way many people in your organization can access that data. Do they have that experience with your particular software? How is the performance of the software in regards to latency? For instance, if you have your data center in Virginia and you have an office in New York, Colorado, and California, are you going to have a really fast connection to that server in Virginia? When you type on the keyboard, do those keystrokes come up immediately? That's what you're looking for. Do they have stats on downtime for the past year? So you really want to look at this. If these servers are not up and running, they can go down. You want to be aware of that, but you want to mitigate the amount of time that those servers go down. So some companies have pretty bad stats, to be honest. 2 to 5 days of downtime per year is unacceptable. We host our data with Microsoft Azure. They have a 99.99% uptime, and that's really what you want to be looking at these days. That type of service is out there for you. Really, these questions are designed to make you a happy business owner, and if done well, a little bit of research is going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to save you a lot of money. You want to ask some infrastructure questions. For instance, are the backups automated? At 1 in the morning, do the backups automatically happen? That's what you want. Can you have co-location backup if you need that? You should ask that question as well. Is there an antivirus included with the hosted virtual desktop? What else are you going to have to add to this thing to make it run? There's a lot of other software that really should be implemented in the server. It just doesn't run by itself. You want to make sure that it is monitored, maintained, and that updates are being done, and that you have an antivirus installed on the server. How good is their customer support? All too often you call a company and let's just say your server isn't running, and you try to call somebody and you're on hold for an hour and a half, and then you get transferred to the wrong person. That happens quite often. So you want to make sure that the customer service is fast, 5-minute answer, 15-minute response, and resolution. It can be very frustrating if you can't get something resolved when you need it resolved immediately. These are all great ideas, great questions to ask. I do want to give you some information and an opportunity to get more information that's absolutely free. I do want to let you know the value of what I'm about to discuss is around $750. That's because I'm going to offer you a free trial. A free trial, that's right, for a hosted virtual desktop, and you can have this trial for 7 days. This is on a first come, first served basis. We only have a certain number of licenses, and it takes quite a long time to get these servers up and running and customized for you. So we have 7 trials available. The trials, again, if you don't get one of the trials this month, then we will put you on a waiting list. The trial is also going to include a free phone consultation. We're going to need to really get in depth of how you use your systems and show you how to log into the thing, right? So you got to have a little bit of consultation with this, and that's going to be a $375 value for that phone conversation. The total value of what we're offering right now is $1,100. Again, today It's free, 7-day trial for a hosted virtual desktop, and this is first come, first serve. There are no tricks, no credit card required. We just want to prove to you how our system works. Our business is built on referrals. If you are happy with what we do, then you will tell other people. It's as simple as that. We need that word of mouth advertising. We have an outstanding platform that many companies use. We want to get the word out to other businesses so that the way they can use it as well. My team is ready for the next 2 days to help these 7 or the 7 people who get these trials. So this is a great opportunity. Even the phone consultation, you're going to get a tremendous amount of information about how these systems work and how they're put together. But you get to test drive it. That's the best thing about it, is you get to actually use it for a few days and see if this sort of solution will work for your company. And I encourage you, whatever your biggest challenge is in your IT department, we've probably seen them. Bring them to us. If we haven't, then we're gonna want to find out what that is and help you fix it. So any issues you may have with your IT department, feel free to bring it, put it on our plate, and we'll see if we can come up with a solution with you. The trial, again, first come, first serve. Who is this perfect for? If you're a business owner and you're sick and tired of excuses from your IT department, oh yeah, it's just a pop-up, oh yeah, the program just crashes every now and then, we don't know why, this is for you. If you are all done wasting time and money, people can't log in from home securely and their network is going down all the time, this is for you. If you want to get the most modern technology to grow your business, which is really what this is all about, creating a scalable solution, this is really going to help you out quite a bit. Why are we doing this? We are passionate. We've been doing this for a number of years, and our mission is to help businesses succeed. So we know we've been able to help others who are just like you, and we can create a more profitable and scalable company for you. So you want to go to theclouddesk.com, first come, first serve. This is a trial by application only. We want to make sure you're a good fit. It's going to the first 7 people, and go to theclouddesk.com, or you can click free trial on your screen and it'll redirect you to this website. And again, my name's Dan with Cloud Desk 365. Thank you very much for listening to this, and I hope to talk to you later. Bye-bye.